excited. Yesterday, my boyfriend and I decided that we're going to go to Vegas today. Actually, in like 2 hours, we're gonna drive there. It's gonna be a really short trip. We're going to go watch the Golden Knights play hockey, a little bit of gambling, nothing crazy, and really hoping to do a little bit of thrifting. That's what I'm getting out of this trip. We're going to drive from LA to Las Vegas. Right now, what I need to do is like get my outfit for today, pack, and really that's it. Like, I don't know if we will have much time between arriving in Vegas and when the game starts. Also, we're staying at the nicest hotel there is, okay? We're staying at the Excalibur. It's cheap, it smells like smoke, and it's really close to the T-Mobile Arena, okay? And that's awesome. That's perfect. Also, do not expect my outfits to be anything stellar. I'm not going out. I'm not gonna go to any really like restaurants. It's like a there and back kind of trip. Road trip. We're going to speed up these clips. We have T-minus 2 hours to get dressed, get ready. I think I'm gonna do my makeup. I'm gonna just like swipe on some mascara. Whatever. Okay, we gotta speed this up. Speeding this up looks like me standing in front of my closet looking at my clothes because I don't know what I want to bring. My mom got me this mug. It's so cute. Do you like my shirt? I am currently in the middle of filming a DIY scrap fabric vlog, and then we decided to go to Vegas, so I needed to pause it, but I did make this little hibiscus flower motif upcycled applique, whatever you want to call it. We leave in 27 minutes. Okay, I have to do some quick makeup. First stop. Such a beautiful, clear day. We're going to the outlets. Just kidding. Carl's Jr. Just kidding. You can't see it. Yay! I am so hungry. It's lunchtime. Okay. I can't say another word until I've eaten, and I have a Diet Coke, okay? My lips are so chapped also. Biggest trip. Yes. I'm so hungry. On the road again. Filling up gas, but I want to go in here and see if there's like some kind of yummy candy. Mostly I am looking for sour spray because everyone on TikTok says that sour candy spray is really good for anxiety, and I feel like that would be good. Oh my god, it is so hot in this car. No way they have it. Oh my god, I can't believe it. Slime liquor spray, blue raz, sour liquid candy. This looks like something I should not be ingesting. Toxicwastecandy.com. Made in Turkey. Okay, she's international. Let's give her a good spray. Not very sour. You want some?
No more.
He loved it. Want some more? Yeah, you know. Oh! So sorry. Yum! Okay, now we can actually get back on the road to Las Vegas. We have like 2 hours left. Actually, I should probably put on the navigation. The Excalibur! Actually, 2 hours, 10 minutes. Hey, with my sour spray, I can do anything. Let's go. We look like we're moving out. The gates of heaven are opening. We're in Las Vegas. Blue Man Group. Yeah, as you can tell from the lighting, we are staying in the most luxurious suite that they have. Do you want the house tour? 2 beds, that's mine, that's his. Just kidding. Let's see our view. We're on the 8th floor. I've only ever been on like the 1st and 2nd floor. Oh my god. Wow. I paid some good money for this view, okay? This hotel is so good that it took us maybe 15 minutes to get into the hotel room. My digital key did not work, so we had to get 2 physical ones and go down to the lobby and back up. And but now we're here and it's time to get ready because the doors open right now for the hockey game. So okay, don't worry though, we'll show you our outfits. Scary lighting again. I don't know how I forgot to show you the bathroom. I'm telling you, you pay for what you get. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Hey, get ready with me round 2 today. I just need to like freshen up a bit, just like before we go. It's gonna be nothing crazy. My god, my lips are so dry. Can you see my makeup? I'm nothing's funny. Okay, that's it. We have to run. Like I said, getting into this freaking room took so long. You know what? You get what you pay for, okay? This was like $56 for one night. Like, it's actually really nice for the price. Okay. Las Vegas. It is so hot. I'm dripping. Also, this is my like mini little bag so that I can bring it in. Yay! You're not ready. You're not ready for the Hello Kitty Bruno Mars. This is so cute. I don't know who that is. This is a great view.
a gamble. Winner. So tired, but must gamble. This is our favorite slot machine thing, Texas Tea. It's so cute. Yeah, we don't get it at all, but it's fun and it's cute. And also it's a 2-person seat.
Wow! Final day in Vegas, final few hours. Look at me. I look so cozy. Oh God, I just love a hotel bed. I really do, okay? Last night only lost like, I think $24 gambling and I had fun, but I was just so tired. Also, I did not like drink any alcohol, nothing, okay? But the way I felt, like, slightly hungover because I was so dehydrated. My lips were so dry. My mouth like so dry, so dehydrated. And I have drank a little bit in Vegas, but I have never like really like gone crazy in Vegas. I just cannot imagine how bad the hangover is if I'm sober and I'm like, this is how it is. Anyway, Vegas, yada yada yada, whatever, who cares? I'm about to get ready and go to Goodwill and then come back to the hotel and then drive the 4 hours back to Los Angeles. Ooh, if anyone's curious, I know no one is like thinking of this, but Vegas is playing Anaheim in the playoffs. Where is Anaheim? It's an hour and a half from LA. And you may be thinking, Tori, why did you guys drive to Las Vegas instead of just going right down the road? Well, the price of 2 tickets to see Vegas and the hotel room was $10 more than 1 ticket to Anaheim. The tickets to Anaheim were insane. $250 per ticket, $500? No. With gas and all of that, maybe it will end up being $500. But also, we got to go to Vegas. So who's the real winner here? We're all losers somehow. Okay, I'll check back in when we're in the car on the way to Goodwill. Yes! I'm so excited. Made it. Checkout is at 11, but I'm giving myself an hour to shop here. It is currently 9:10 a.m. I like actually have got to lock in. Okay. I'm so excited. These are so incredible. Oh my god, these are so cute. Okay, have to run back to the hotel. I think I'll give a little haul there. I have 2 bags of things. I was in there for exactly an hour. I came, I saw, I conquered. Running back, hope there's enough time. Checkout is at 11. It is 10:12. We'll see. Girl, I am dripping. I was running so fast. I spent $32.95 and I got 7 different things. Brown skirt with shorts underneath from Wild Fable, $6.99. A little swim skirt, $6.99. I hope it fits. I don't know. And if you think it's gross to thrift swimsuits, I don't care. Okay, this is the first thing I found and I thought it was so effing cute. And it was on sale. Instead of $5.99, I paid $3. And this is kind of like a hear me out thing, okay? It's like square. It has these little like gem not rhinestones, like I don't know what you call that. They're kind of like brassy. The sleeves are a little flouncy. At the bottom, it has
again, this flounce, and it has a little tie, I think, to like cinch it. I don't know, but I thought this was kind of like fun, funky, cute, whatever. I got a pair of shoes. These are going to be my going out shoes because they're chunky, but they're technically heels. The brand is Madden Girl, $7.99. I thought these were cute. They look really comfy. Did I try them on? No, because we were on a time limit. These came from Ross, the original stickers on it. They've never been worn. Okay, I got these sunglasses. I couldn't tell if they were like cute on me or not. I think they are. Ooh. And that was $1.99. And then another really good find is this Snoopy carrying surfboard and hibiscus flowers little white t-shirt. I'll probably crop it because I think it would be a little bit too long on me. This was $5.99. It's so freaking cute. I really like this. So that is all. I need to pack up the hotel room really quick and then we're gonna hit the road. Bye, Vegas. Thank you, Excalibur, for everything you've ever done for us, which is a lot. It is so hot. I should have known. It's like May. I'm melting. I'm actually melting.